Brad Williams, Excel Prime, another date tutorial. This one will be very short. We're going to use the EDATE function. The way it works is EDATE adds months. Here's the layout, the anatomy. EDATE, pretty straightforward, B5, C5. In other words, we have a date and we want to add months or we want to subtract months. That's it. Returns a date in months away from a start date. Here is the write-up. Here's the structure. Saturday, December 1st, 2029. We add 5 here. What happens? It goes to May 1st. Remember, it's a serial number. That's all we're doing is adding 5 times 12. Down here, 5 times, here we have 10 years. Oops, I'm sorry. We're adding 5 months. The structure is going to add the appropriate number of months from December 1st, okay? You can track, you can go way forward or not. So hit F9 and you can see just how this works, see how the serial numbers change. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.